Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be working in my May 2026 Creative Daily Journal for the second week of May. Let's get right into it. I'm guessing this is, I don't even know. What days are what anymore? I don't know. Oh, I print and cut 7 pages of labels with my Cricut for a project I wanted to do. It was crazy talk. Also, I don't know. So I did that. What else? We got the dog new chew toys, you guys, and she ruined them already. Like, I don't understand. She ruined them immediately. One of them, and we just got them the day before. The one was only $2, so like not a big deal. But yeah, she ruined them. I don't have really anything else for this day. I don't know. So this must have been a Friday. Yes, because today is Friday. Let's see. And I also made a point to say I don't know about you guys, but I am really sick and tired of coming up with food to make. Like, why do I have to constantly come up with food to make? I'm honestly tired of it. I'm so tired of having to think of things to make. I'm tired of having to make sure that I have the things to make it. I'm tired of making it. I just am sick and tired of cooking. I'm sick and tired of the thoughts behind it. I'm just over it. I don't want to have to do it anymore. You know? I think I'm going to tape this one on this side. I have nothing to go in my little secret pocket. Nothing. Nothing to go in my pocket. In here. This is that pocket I made a video on making so it doesn't look like a pocket. It's hidden. But I got nothing to put in it. So. And if you hear that, that is the dog barking. She has found her voice and uses it constantly. Not as bad as Sammy was. Sammy barked a lot. All right, let's get all this stuff out of here. What do we got going on? Okay. What is all this stuff? Oh, I read 2 books. I have... we found these. I used to have to buy them on Amazon, but we found these at the grocery store. I bought a whole brand new thing of tape. I don't even remember buying it, you guys. Okay. So we used to have to buy these on Amazon. We like the Australian version better than... I like it better than the British version. Sorry. It's how I feel. So we actually found these at one of our local grocery stores, just on a little shipper in the frozen food department. Just chilling. So they were 4 for $5. So the boyfriend grabbed 4 of them. And I stole one. They are honeycomb, right? Is that what it is? Dipped in chocolate. Very good. I think what are the British ones? Are called something else. I don't remember what they're called. But that one's the Australian. And we've never seen them in the wild here. Alright. I also got Subway for lunch because this was the day that I woke up super dizzy. Like really dizzy. Almost fell over trying to get the dog out of the crate dizzy. So I lost my balance trying to get to the dog crate. She's barking up there. I'm going to have to go up there. Started the prep for the electrician today. I had to mark every single spot in the house where an outlet was. So that was fun. The kid got home at 10:30 and then the big dog barked. Because the big dog barked, the little dog barked, and then she didn't go back to bed till 11:30. I was so mad. Also, she ruined another bone. Yep. I said, Mother's Day is just the worst. It's not like I get a gift or the luxury of not doing anything. Not even joking. My kid bought me Taco Bell. That's what I got for Mother's Day. Taco Bell. Yep. Anyway. Taco Bell, and my dad gave me candy, and the boyfriend got me a Dr. Pepper and candy. Like, okay. Whatever. It is what it is. I'm not worried about it. Don't care. So I started getting serious about training Shay. Now that she doesn't have diarrhea all the time, and we know that it's not foods that we're giving her an issue, we can really start training her. And I'm going to keep this Kong package because we bought her another toy that is marked like indestructible because she keeps ruining them. So we'll see how long this one lasts. So far it's holding strong. All right, what is this? I spent all day cleaning for the electrician. I pulled out the stove and the fridge, cleaned behind my dresser, cleaned my dad's blinds and windows. I'm exhausted and ready for this to be over. Guys, I said to my dad, I don't know when I last cleaned behind the fridge. Was it when we got it? Because A, it was gross. B, that fridge is really heavy. But this is everything that I swept out from behind and under the fridge. It was a big pile. A big pile of crap. But I didn't realize how heavy. Did I put my pen away? I didn't realize how heavy the fridge was till I tried to pull it out. It was so heavy. I did tell them that I did clean for them. I said, be glad I cleaned for you. He said, usually people don't. Usually people wait until they're there and they pull the things out and then they're like, hey, can I clean behind there? I was like, yeah, I'm not doing that. I said, I would be completely embarrassed if you came to my house and that was what was behind my fridge. That would be so embarrassing to me. Maybe not to anybody else, but to me, completely embarrassing. All right, the electricians got here about 9 a.m. and got right to work. I made them start in my son's room and my room. The guy came and he brought a partner with him for the first day, not the second day, just the first day. So I had them start in my room and my son's room because my kid and the boyfriend both had off the next day. So I was like, just start in these rooms, please. And they did. They finished the entire upstairs and the front porch outlet and left around 3:45. Well, the one guy left earlier. The other guy was there till about 3:45. They did a really good job. We ordered dinner because I didn't really have anywhere to make dinner, and I voted. Yes, I voted. I vote by mail. I vote by mail because A, some days I can't stand, and I would like to have my voice heard. So I vote by mail because in case the day comes that it's time for voting day and I can't stand or walk that day, I vote by mail. All right. We went for K-Pot. Surprise, surprise. We went for K-Pot. This was Wednesday. The electrician had come and he was only really working in the basement. So I was like, well, why don't we just go get food? My dad wants to go for K-Pot too, but this was the only time we could go this week. It was funny. I was with my mom today and she hasn't had K-Pot yet. And I was explaining to her about it. And she's like, well, no wonder you go so often. Yes. Yes. We go a lot. We really do. You can judge me, but it's way healthier than us going freaking takeout all the time. It's way healthier. We eat a lot of vegetables, a lot of seafood. My boyfriend eats a lot of seafood, and I eat a lot of vegetables and a lot of lean meats when we're at K-Pot. And we only ever do hot pot. We don't do the barbecue anymore. She said she was going to take my nieces when school's out. School's going to be out in like a month. This was the dog cuddled up to the boyfriend's head in bed on this morning. All right. So, yeah, the electrician, he got here around 8:30. It was just him. He started with the garage. Our garage needed a new, oh, guys, it's so much easier now, you guys, to convert fluorescent lights into LED lights. Like the ballast and everything is kind of included right in the bulb. So he literally just had to put new bulbs in. Our fluorescent lights have been shot for like 4 years now in our garage. Also, even if they weren't shot here, the light switch didn't work anymore either. So there's that. But he started in the garage. Then he came in, and we have not had a pantry light also in a really long time. It broke. It wasn't the bulb. The whole fixture broke. It was original to the house. So we hadn't had one in a really long time. So he replaced that with a motion detector one, you guys. It's like you open the pantry door, it turns on automatically and turns off after 2 minutes. It's really nice. So it was 3 days. I am tired. I did so much in those 3 days. I was so tired. And I hurt so bad. Okay, so then he also went down to the basement, and down here I showed him where all of the outlets were. I didn't have a chance to mark them, but I showed him where they all were. So he replaced all the outlets in the basement, all the light switches, all the outlets in our entire house got replaced. On the front porch, the back porch, the garage, the house, the basement, all of them got replaced. We got new garage light and a new patio light. Plus we got a whole home surge protector. Plus our circuit breaker was not up to code. They changed code a few years ago and ours was not up to code. So they fixed that also. So now we are up to code with all of our outlets, because now also our old GFI outlets, they were all old. So they're no longer up to code either. So everything now in our house with electric wise is up to code, which is really nice. Yesterday we got a thank you gift from the electric company in the mail. And it was a cup with their name, with their name of the company on it, and cookies inside the cup. My dad was mad. He's like, why does it come in your name? And I said, because you make me call and make all the appointments. I said that is why it comes in my name. Also, the boyfriend had to work yesterday. He had to go in on his day off to learn how to use the new lane machine. I'm just gonna put that. This is the thank you card. I'll just tape it in. They have a new lane machine that goes down each lane. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. It goes down each lane and strips the old oil and cleans it, and then comes up, puts the new oil on. And then it automatically turns and goes to the next lane, goes down and back up, does the same thing, and it does the whole entire bowling alley in one shot. And when I said I called it the giant Roomba, I also said he needs to name it. I said he should name it Mr. Miyagi because he said it takes the wax on and off, but it's not wax. He's like, you don't call it wax. Bowlers get really mad if you call it wax. It's not wax. It's oil. I said, still, you should still name it Mr. Miyagi. Yep. So that was my week. It was a very long week. Again. Very long week. Again, I actually forgot. If you notice and you watch my videos, you will notice that on, what day is today? Today is Friday. On Thursday, a video did not post at midnight like it usually does. And that would be because I never did my Year of Memories Memory Decks video for this month. I've been so busy, I completely forgot. And even I was like, why did a video not post? And then I was like, oh God. So I'm going to do it today. And it'll post whenever that video was supposed to post, which I think was the 19th that I used that video. It was supposed to be on the 19th. So that's what's going to happen. I'm sorry about that, but life isn't always agreeable. And this is why I do all my videos the month before. So when this stuff happens, I still have videos because I have not been able to craft in weeks. I don't know if I'll have, usually by now, I have all my videos done for the next month and I have none. So, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, all that jazz, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.